Good morning, friends. Today, let us discuss COVID-19 second wave in Odisha. In the first slide, as you can see, COVID-19 second wave, will the peak in Odisha get delayed to May? In tandem with the recent projection by IIT Kanpur that the second wave in India will be having an exponential growth, the COVID-19 count in Odisha has been growing rapidly. The moot question then is, will Odisha record the second wave peak soon, or the cases will simply peter out with time? As per epidemiologists, the exponential spike of any epidemic hints that the peak is coming. If indeed so, then when the state will record the peak? Significantly, after the SBI research report, IIT Kanpur Sutra model projects that the country will see the second wave peak of COVID-19 between April 15 to 20. The team of IIT Kanpur scientists led by Mahendra Verma projects so on the basis of daily cases of coronavirus recorded in the country in March, which they say are almost equivalent to the level of cases recorded daily in August 2020. Therefore, scientists predict that the peak is coming in mid-April. However, IIT Kanpur team has clearly mentioned that not all states will attain the peak at the same time. Their Sutra susceptible, undetected, tested, positive, removed, recovered or dead approach says, since Maharashtra have 70% load of total cases in the country, the state will be the first to see the peak. But the IITK research report is unanimous on one thing. The cases in the second wave will grow exponentially in the country. The SBI research report had also mentioned same projection quite emphatically. Is Odisha witnessing an exponential rise in cases? From the sample evidence, consider the cases in the last 15 days in Odisha. On March 15, the number of daily new cases in the state stood at 65. Charting a geometrical progression, the daily new confirmed cases in the state touched to 461. The fact below explains the exponential spike in state. During the period of March 15 to April 1, the number of cumulative COVID-19 tests conducted grew by a mere 5% to touch over 91 lakh from nearly 87 lakh on March 15. In contrast, the daily new positive count grew geometrically to 461 from 65 on March 15. The surge is over 609%. So when will the peak come? Going by the IIT Kanpur premises, as March COVID-19 count in Odisha is not equivalent to the August 2020 growth, but the exponential growth looks apparent in April, for which a senior epidemiologist in the National Rural Health Mission Odisha believes that the peak in Odisha may be delayed by a month. So there is a question, how long will Odisha see rise in active case load? As per IITK report, since raw reproduction value of the country on March 27 has been estimated at around 1.26, which the report said is equal to the value prevailed in March 2020. Therefore, the active cases will rise for the next 3 to 4 months, means till July. What the case rise hits? As per the IITK Sutra model, U means undetected, whereas the report says they may be infected but asymptomatic and thus undetected by health authorities. As per senior NRHM epidemiologist, the surge in local contact cases by nearly 7 times to 189 on April 1 from a mere 28 on March 15 reveals that the state has a very large proportion of undetected cases. Therefore, rise in case load is exponential, he explained. Now, coming to the second slide about the Bhubaneswar Municipal Authority, which imposes more restrictions on wedding other social gatherings. Let's have a view. In view of increase in COVID-19 positive cases, Bhubaneswar Municipal Corporation on Friday reduced the number of participants at marriage ceremonies to 100, while 50 persons will be allowed at funerals. BMC also has imposed restrictions on other social gatherings. In consonance with the Order Number 1663, dated 31/03/2021 of Government of Odisha and Disaster Management Department, BMC issued guidelines for regulation of social gatherings like marriage-related function, death rituals and related functions, and other type of social and other type of gatherings in view of public safety. So new guidelines issued for social gatherings. For marriage-related functions, of maximum number of persons allowed are 100, with strict adherence to COVID, appropriate behavior and maintenance of social distancing. For death rituals, related functions, the maximum number of persons allowed are 50. The following kinds of functions are strictly prohibited until further order, like events and gathering related to promotional activities, conference, conclaves, centenary, Golden Jubilee, Silver Jubilee, etc., celebrations of institutions, annual events, annual functions, educational and other institutions. For other kinds of social gathering, the host shall have to obtain specific permission from district municipal corporation, which will be given keeping in view the requirement of the host and prevailing pandemic situation, subject to maximum participant ceiling of 100%. The order shall be given effect from 06/04/2021 until further order. Thank you.